Timeless e-scooter, upgraded na. Ang naging paborito mong NXT Porto, upgraded na. Yes, mas lilingunin na ang timeless e-scooter na to. Classic and head turner. Yan pa din ang dating ng NXT Porto, but this time, mas pinapogi pa namin ito. Introducing NXT Porto, now upgraded with sleek top box. May top box na for your essentials. Practical meets classic look. Oo, may lalagyan ka na ng helmet, gamit, o pang grocery mo in style. Perfect for city cruising o weekend chill rides. Style? Check. Storage? Check. Collector vibes? Double check. Kaya kung nakabili ka na ng Porto before, pwede kang mag-add-on ng top box with bracket. Pero teka, limited stocks lang to. Kaya kung nakita mo to today, baka bukas wala na. PM us now or visit NXT Facebook page to order. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today.